Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my studio, and today I'm going to record something very special. So I am very excited, but at the same time I'm a little bit nervous too, because this is something I've been wanting to do for years, and finally it is here. It's my silk penning workshop kit for beginners. Going to record the first 4 designs for my online workshop. That's why I'm nervous. I was doing workshops, silk penning workshops, in 2019 in a local area where I can reach by driving less than 1 hour, maximum 1 hour, because I cannot really drive in the country road in Scotland. I'm a city driver really, so if I have to drive more than 1 hour, I'm nervous. Anyway, so I was doing workshops almost every weekend in different places near me. Okay, like in different town and different shop, and then doing different design for the workshops. So I have many people, many local people, Scottish people. They were very interested to see Chinese silk penning, and they were really enjoying it. And also I was giving the workshops not only like in a business center or in a craft shop. I was also giving workshops to the care homes. I was doing that I was teaching them to make a Christmas gift, a Christmas card. It was 2 years ago. I was giving them a workshop to teach them how to make Christmas card, and for that Christmas, so they experienced the silk penning, and they were really enjoying that too. So what I'm trying to say here, it's this workshop kit. It's designed for age 8 years old above, but then for young children, if the parents get, or if they get support, they can do them by themselves. If you check my website, you will see you'll find some more information about it. And what I know is all the participants, they were really enjoying that, and I have all age groups in my silk penning workshop. I think the oldest one was 75, and then the youngest one maybe was 6. My experience telling me, and everyone can really enjoy it if they have like the right guidance. And I think because silk penning it's more common in like China or in Asia country like Korean, Japan, Indian, and because this is a different part of the world. This is Scotland, and then so it's Europe. And in Europe, they have different art forms like statue, oil painting, water painting, watercolor painting. So I think there's a beautiful thing about cross-cultural exchange is that we can, share all the fun things in our different culture and through different material, having so much fun. So that's why another reason I'm very excited about this workshop kit I'm going to introduce in a minute. That's because I'm so proud and so happy I'm going to bring this silk penning fun to a lot of people, in whoever is watching this video. And I know like some people in American, some are in Indian, and some are in the UK, but wherever you are, and this is so easy. If wherever you are, and I think you can enjoy it. And this is not a product really, this is more like an idea, like so I'm so excited to sharing the fun from my culture and then to your culture. I must admit, this is not a traditional Chinese silk penning. Even the oldest silk penning being found in China, like it was made like many thousand years ago, 4 or 5. But this is not a classic silk penning. I would say this is a modern silk penning. If you've been following me on my website or my Facebook, like I was doing something, I trying to find a spot to when the old can meet the new. So for old Chinese penning, Chinese silk penning, there's many way you need to prepare the surface for the silk, and also the silk, the use for the silk, it's just like fine art or use it for calligraphy, using for penning. So it's like it's not like something you can paint it and then oh yeah, the like fan, Chinese fan, and you can paint on that. But it's not something you can wear. I think something you can wear is more like a dyed silk, or not very often in China, not like painted silk. So the silk penning silk scarf, I don't think it's originally from China. The silk scarf, the modern silk penning, and then because the modern silk penning made the silk penning so much easier, it's just like a snap like that. Really, it is that easy. So I will introduce very quickly why it's make it so easy. Because silk, like any fabric, if you drop a liquid on it, it absorbs and bleeds and spreads. It was like no ending until that drop is gone, right? Totally, and then will leave a mark. And if it's water, and when it's dry, you can't see it. But if it's a coffee or tea on your white shirt, and you will see when it dry, it's have no like particular shape or the edge. So in on silk penning, it's the same because silk is a type of fabric. So if you paint on it, it will bleed, and all the color will be gone in a minute, unless you really know how to load let's say like you practice 10, 20, 30 years, and how to load your paintbrush and how to hold your shape, like and then use it just like any art form, like you need a lot of practice. So that's make it impossible for people who wants to try it. But with the modern silk penning, it's very easy, because someone, I don't know who, but thank you so much for invented this Gutta outline. We call it Gutta resistance. So with this outline, and then you can, actually you can make your silk. You can design your shape with it, and then outline it, and then color inside, color in the silk. Then those outline resist will hold the color in the area it's supposed to be. So in that way, you can, create beautiful paintings on silk. So really, that's so smart, and that's amazing. Okay, so here my superstar today. So this is my silk penning workshop kit. What's inside? And I have handmade everything inside there. And then if you scan this, this QR bar will bring you to my Etsy shop, so you can see how other choices you have for the time. For this time, I have 12 different designs. They're all like very easy design, but even they're all for beginners. You can still take a look which pattern is the easiest for you to try for your first time. I'll say like this one will be very easy, because it's a lot of red, and then red and black. So it's very easy to paint like that. But compared to that one, this one will be more complicated, because you have small area to paint different colors. So if you've got shaking hand, the color will probably come out. But I will for each of them, I will record a step-by-step tutorial for each of them. So what you can do, if you open this, you see here, I have prepared this silk. I draw the pattern already with the Gutta outline. So it's whatever color you put in there, it will stay in there. And also I have backed it on paper, so you can hold it. But once you frame it, if you want to frame it, then once you finish painting, you will see in the tutorial, you can peel the back off, and then the silk will be transparent. You can see both sides with the painting. And then and inside here, here is a kind of step by step. I have written down how to use this kit. But then for someone who doesn't have internet, or for someone who doesn't using a smartphone or computer or have no internet, and it's you can just follow those steps and then doing it by yourself. But it's better to have, if you do have internet and if you scan this Q bar in the box, Q bar. If you scan, sorry, don't know how to talk now. So if you do have internet or phone and then you just scan this QR bar, it will take you to my website. In my website, the workshop page. So you can choose your design in the website page, and you can follow the tutorial from there. It will be you can find all the designs in, like for this 12 design, you will find them. I only start to record them, so and then when the video will be available, is also listed on with the picture, with the silk painting workshop picture. So, and once you paint it, okay, let's say your picture finished, and then you can frame it with the card come with the kit. So the frame, you can also frame it, but first you frame it in a card. I have framed this one. And then you can give it as a greeting card. And if you don't want to give it as a greeting card, and you can also frame it. I bought those. Okay, this is a traditional way to frame any painting. So it's in the card, first in the card, and then you put it in the frame. This is a standard frame from Asda. It's like £2 on special price. If it's not special, it will be $2.50. So it's very cheap to buy a frame like this and then put your card just in there. It's standard size. I will also record how to frame your silk paintings after you made it from this kit. Or this is a special frame. It's called floating frame, I think. You can buy them from Amazon, and this one's also from Asda, but I don't know how long they will sell it. And then it's a double one. If you only have one, if you bought one kit and you want to make one, you can just get the frame from Amazon. It's called a floating double-side frame, I think. So I really like this one. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. It's the beautiful thing. It's transparent. You see? Ta-da! You can see the light going through it. And then it's just create the double side effect. You can put them anywhere. And this look different. Okay. And the frame idea, the silk painting idea, it is like I've been thinking about them for a while. Before I saw, in Vietnam, when I was a traveler, backpacker, I visited Vietnam one time, and I saw, the stitch silk painting. I don't know, silk stitch. They're just so beautiful, and they frame them in a double-sided glass frame. And if you ever been to Vietnam, or if you're Vietnamese watching this, you know what I'm talking about, because they are so beautiful, and they were so expensive, so I didn't buy any. And I never really see them in other places. Even I haven't seen them in China. Maybe there are probably some in China, but in the South China, and I just never see them. So you can do the frame. You can do the greeting card, or the regular frame, or the double-sided frame. So that is what you can do with this kit. But in the kit, I do not have frames. That's it. So, okay, now I'm going to record the actual workshops. Okay, wish me good luck. And thank you very much for watching. press like if you like it. I don't know how to make it sounds right, but anyway, I have my if you look down the description, you can find my website. You can know like more about my work and then what I've been doing, and you can find okay my gift shop on Etsy. And anyway, just if you need to find more about my studio and me, just look down the description and you will find it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day or evening. Bye for now.